Power lines were down in the parking lot. Roof was gone. Cars were damaged. It was just unbelievable what had taken place outside.
This past May 6, Mississippi was devastated by tornadoes that came through some of the rural communities.
A lot of people are still in shock. Their houses are gone, their cars are gone, they have no power, they have no water. They have a long road ahead.
When we gathered up at the church to start the services, the phones were going off with the alerts about the bad weather coming. Everybody began to look around. We got in the back hallway of the church, and about 30 people was on their knees, hunkered down, close together, getting ready for the impact. You could see something coming to us. It got bad. There was a point in time where I thought we were going to be taken. When wall starts moving, you never know. Building was tore up, but nobody was hurt. It was just praising God, thanking God for the comfort and for the shelter that He gave us.
When Samaritan's Purse comes on the ground after a tornado like this, we're helping with debris removal. We're cutting trees that have fallen down, limbs that are on homes.
It's very important to come out and volunteer just because, it didn't happen to our specific house. We didn't have any trees fall or anything that ruined our area, but it is important to come through and help your neighbors and help your friends. That's what community is about.
We feel blessed to be able to do this. We are all the hands and feet of Jesus.
Samaritan's Purse, I appreciate y'all so much. You people have done so much in this community. You've helped so many people. I've never heard anybody gripe about anything. They just come, they do their job, they do it with joy, and it's peace in their heart, and it's wonderful.
Pray for Mississippi. Pray for our volunteers that are down here for their safety, but also the opportunities to let their neighbors know they're loved and to share the gospel.
I know God is with us. I know God is going to get the glory. Something good is going to come out of it. Somebody somewhere is going to get saved. Somebody's going to know who Jesus is.